How fracking in the U.S. benefits you. Fracking in the U.S. has really changed our dependency on oil from the Middle East. If you go back 25 to 30 years, you will see that the U.S. imported much of our oil and we were at the mercy of countries that were, well, very unstable. Today, it is estimated that around 70% of oil and 80% of natural gas comes from fracking in the U.S. With production of around 13.5 million barrels of crude oil per day, we're now producing more oil than Saudi Arabia and Russia. When you add natural gas, it's even more impressive, as it is the equivalent of around 20 million barrels per day. I'm sure you've been at the pump lately, and even though there is turmoil in the Middle East and the Russia-Ukraine conflict is still going on, we are paying low prices at the pump. Maybe it doesn't feel that way here in California, but nationally the prices are quite favorable. On the road currently, about 98% of vehicles use an internal combustion engine. And yes, that will change going forward with more electric vehicles, but that will take many years, and demand for gasoline and oil will still be quite prevalent. Imagine if we no longer could do fracking, we would have to go back to importing oil, like in 2008, when it was costing us nearly $400 billion in our trade deficit. Don't forget, we will be competing in a world market with countries such as China and India, who also have large needs for energy. Now, make no mistake, we need to continue to produce oil through fracking, or else we could face an even worse trade deficit and would likely have inflation increase rather than decline. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. Stay ahead in the investment world by subscribing to our YouTube channel and the weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.